Welcome to the SJS Smart Start Charger demonstration video for jump starting vehicles. Today we're going to jump start a Jeep Cherokee 2.8 litre turbo diesel with the SSC05. The SSC05 is a 500 amp peak current and is recommended for vehicles up to 3 litre diesel and up to 6 litre petrol. Today we have the battery disconnected for testing purposes. We'll jump start the vehicle and then we'll show you what the results were on the meters. So here we go. As always, once the vehicle is started, remove your jumper clamps from your battery within 30 seconds to a minute and then disconnect your jumper leads from the power pack. Your SSC05 is then easy to store and safe to transport. Take your SSC05 everywhere and don't leave home without one. Okay, we've seen the SSC05 jump start a vehicle. Now we're going to show you what the SSC05 can charge as a charger. Another variation of the personal power pack, but a bigger capacity battery. 12.8 lithium polymer battery. And I'll just show you a few of the features of what it can charge. So we'll start off with phone charging and tablet charging. We have one USB port on this model, 5 volt, 2 amp. Simple as plugging in the USB cable, selecting any of your adapters that we provide in the kit and plug it in to your tablet or your phone as such, or your GoPro, or any digital device you might have, camera, whatever. So depending on what size the battery is in your device, that will depend on how many times you get a charge from a full capacity of your SSC05 power pack. So this model also has 12, 16 and 19 volt charging, and we simply turn the device on. Your charge capacity lights are the LEDs, and we then push the button again and go from 12 to 16 to 19, depending on what your device is you're going to charge. For instance, this laptop is 19 volts, so we select 19 volts via pushing the switch. And then simply we plug into the 19 volt charge port, and that will charge your laptop. Once again, charging times vary depending on the size of the battery in your laptop. Another feature of the SSC05 is the LED flashlight emergency light. You simply turn it on and release the switch. It has SOS mode, emergency flash, and push again to turn off. Your SSC05 comes in its own zip carry bag. Inside the zip carry bag is the contents of the bag, as we've laid out in front of you here. Includes a simple user manual, well written and very easy to understand. We recommend you use it before you use your SSC05. Also included 240 volt Australian standards battery charger. Plug into the wall, plug into the charge port, and your device will charge from flat in about 3 hours. Car charging, 12 volt into your 12 volt socket into your car, into the charge port, and you can charge your SSC05 as you're driving along. Once again, the device to charge any of these digital products, the SSC05 must be charged. You cannot charge the product by having it charging at the same time. That is dangerous. Very safe to transport. As we've said when we're jump starting, we never transport with jumper leads in place. Our jump start terminals are enclosed and are protected by a rubber flap in here, just there. So you can travel with this device and be confident that nothing can short circuit your SSC05. Fully Australian standards approved. We're going to show you in a second what sort of accessories you can expect to run off your SSC05, and we'll go over to that very shortly. Here's our power pack here, the SSC05. Similarly, we do the same again. We run the accessory cigarette lighter adapter, maximum 15 amps, and we'll run our work light. Now, on the SSC05, on a full charge, you can expect 2.5 hours from the 20 watt work light. Similarly, we have a 36 watt fan. On speed 3, that fan is 36 watts and 3 amp draw. And you would expect to get 1.3 hours off a full charge from the SSC05. The tyre pump at 180 watts, 15 minutes of running from the SSC05. Enough to pump up your tyres in an emergency. All the accessories are fused for safety and come with replacement fuses. Moving on to our jump start accessories. For all models, apart from the SSC01, we have the 50 amp Anderson plug adapter. So if a vehicle is fitted with a 50 amp Anderson plug, you obviously cannot use jumper leads. So we have a 50 amp accessory. All these accessories are available at your retailer as genuine accessories for all Smart Start chargers. So simple as the same as you're doing your jump starting, into the jump port, into the Anderson plug on the vehicle, and it is a jump starter. That is totally safe. No sparks, no arcing, no nothing. If you want to use if a vehicle has a 175 amp plug, and we can use the adapter, 50 to 175, and it becomes a 175 amp jump starter. These accessories are all 2-pinned and fit the SSC05 and the SSC06. The 4-pinned accessories suit the SSC08 only, with a 50 amp Anderson plug for jump starting and a 175 amp plug for jump starting. All of these accessories available for purchase at your retailer. So to finish off, all our Smart Start chargers are built to the highest quality standards, to Australian standards. Extensive testing programs have been performed. We want the product to be safe for our customers and for our customers' customers. All in all, you can be guaranteed that you have a safe product, a strong product, and you can take it anywhere with you and expect to get out of trouble. They have a multitude of uses. Personal power packs is what we call them. They are jump starters as well, but importantly, they power up any device or charge any device that you might think that you can take away with you on the weekend or wherever you go, and you can be confident you've got power available. We hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for taking interest in our products.